Hi guys, this is Jessamine of Jessamine Creates. Happy New Year to all of you, and I hope you had a great time with your family and friends. And look at what we got here, a box with nice stamps. I'm gonna unbox this package from Thomas Koval, owner of Koval Sketchbook from Poland, and I have a chance to try his sketchbook. I'm so excited because I really like the way it looks on Instagram and also on the website. So I'm so curious what I'm gonna get. So this is very nice. Thank you, Thomas, for this, and it's also a special message. Yes, I will enjoy, and thank you for the package. So this paper is obviously from Artistico of Fabriano. It's really well packed, so I'm so impressed. I'm gonna keep the stamps, by the way, because I like stamps. So this is the package. I'm gonna unbox it and show you what's in it. It's a very sturdy box, well packed. Special message, so that's very special. Thank you so much again. Oh, there you go. So I'm gonna get a pink salmon sketchbook from him. I think is the name of that sketchbook, and it's also Sketchbook Pro, which is good. It means it's 100% cotton, 300 GSM. That's very good. It's artistic paper or artistic cotton, acid-free, handmade. It's off-white. I think it's off-white, natural white. Yeah, this natural white sketchbook, which is great, and it's also together with elastic band. It's just like a lunch bag box. It reminds me of my lunch box, by the way. It's thick and very sturdy material, the sketchbook and the elastic band itself. And the purpose of this is also attached on the sketchbook, so you know what is this for. Very good. If you also have long hair, you can also use it maybe for hairband. Okay, and there you are. That's the sheets that I'm telling you. Together with the package, I also get a test sheets from him to try on. So I noticed that there are also two kinds of paper he's making. He's using this cold press and hot press, and natural white and white, and also off-white, I think. So 100% cotton and 100% cotton, 50% cotton. So if you want to know more about his sketchbook, you can easily just Google it up, www.kovalshops.com. You will see all the kinds of sketchbook he's making, also different sizes. You can ask him if there's available on the website. He's a sketcher, so he knows what he's doing, and he knows what he's making. He knows what we want as a sketcher. So that's why I really like supporting more handmade sketchbook myself. It's just pity when I was in Philippines, I was looking for someone, urban sketcher, who also makes a sketchbook, but apparently nobody knows what. I don't know any contacts there, so that's why I also cannot find it. So I'm happy that I found this one from Koval Sketchbook. It's really good thing to start my year 2020. So there it is. This is sheets together with the package. You will see it here. You can use the elastic band to close your sketchbook well, and then also you can also attach your sketching materials on it. So once you put it on your bag, you're not gonna dig in everything in your purse or bag when you want to sketch outside. So if you're not gonna use it, you can just attach it on the back or the last cover or the cover page of the bag, and it's not gonna bother you once you sketch because it's a thick sketchbook. It's 300 GSM, so you're not gonna feel it if it's there. So I don't mind it. I like it because, like, there's a lot of things you see. You can also use it as a clip, which is good thing. You can stretch the paper. When it's cotton paper, it's still gonna warp. Once you have a good quality elastic band on it, it stretch a little bit the paper once you close it, so that's good. And I also noticed that once you open the sketchbook, when you sketch, it's not so difficult. It's really well glued, and also it's nice binding, so you can just stretch out, make it flat without ruining the paper. It's also very clean, very neat, really well done, professionally handmade and archival, with Fabriano paper and perfect binding and sturdy. So that's everything what you want for a sketchbook. I really like the cover page of this. It's really sturdy, solid rubber, which is good because we carry sketchbook everywhere we go, especially urban sketcher. We sketch everywhere. By the way, I use cotton paper. I like cotton paper when sketching. I noticed that it's very good to use it because it's durable. It's easy to use with wet on wet. It's perfect for blending, very forgiving. So if you have a mistake, you can easily remove it. No problem at all. And the graduation is very nice. So now we have it open. We are ready to sketch. I am ready to sketch. I'm gonna show you a quick one. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're gonna check out his website. It's www.kovalshop.com, Instagram @Koval Sketchbook. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram @Jessamine_creates, on Facebook Jessamine_creates, and it's my website www.jvtutanyas.com. Thank you.